Hello guys, in today's tutorial we will see how you can take the input by using the scanner class. So by using the scanner class you can take the input at the runtime. In previous class we had used buffer reader, but here we will use scanner class because by using buffer reader it was quite tedious and it was difficult to remember that code. But the scanner class coding you can easily remember and you can easily take the input from the command prompt. So scanner is a class that is present in the utility package and it is used for obtaining the input primitive type like int, double and the string also. So in the scanner class we have some method. Because of that method you can take the value and perform operation. So these are the method that we commonly use. Next method, it will return the single word. Next line, it returns complete sentence. So because of that, in place of next we prepare next line. Next boolean, take the boolean value true or false. Here byte, return the byte value, double value, float value, integer, long, short. So these are the common set of method that we use for returning values. And then we have the program part. So in this way you can declare the scanner object. So here the scanner object is in1 and in bracket we use system.in for taking the input from command prompt. So by using scanner class you can take the value and perform operation. So you can write the sentence like that, where here string variable in1 it's the object of scanner. Next line, so because of that your sentence can read the particular line and then that particular line you can show in the output statement like system.out.println plus s. So whatever you are reading it will be coming in output. Next one, if you want to read integer value, then again you have to use same sentence, but here you take integer variable, then the object of scanner, next int. So it will return the integer value and you can show in output sentence. And next you can read same, you do the same procedure. In place of int you write float, you use the next float method, and then after returning that value you can show in the output sentence. And you can use it for double also, it is a next double method, and then you can show in output. So your output will be like that. Suppose here you are entering hi Suraj message, then by using output sentence like this one you enter string hi Suraj. Because of that you can read integer value like 3, then you get the output, you enter integer 3. Then because of that you can enter any float value and you get the message. So in this way whichever method we discuss in the presentation, that you can use it, return value and show by using output sentence, and you can perform the operation of that value also. So now we will move on the Eclipse and we will do the program, and there we will check the output also. So here I am in Eclipse friend, and first I have added utility package. Why? Because that scanner class is present in utility package. So once you write *, all the classes will be available in your program. You can use it. So we use scanner class equal to new scanner. So without exception handling also you can use the scanner class, and by using system.in you can take the input. So here next line method is there so that you can read the particular line. So here I already explained in the presentation, so we will check the output. So here I am in the command prompt here, and here suppose I write my name. Now you check, you enter the string and it is returning the data like Suraj Datir. Next one is an integer value. So in integer suppose I entered 2, you entered 2. Next one is a float value here, next float. Suppose I enter 3, you are getting 3.0. Suppose I am entering 5, next one is a double value. I see it here, you see just this is the double value. Now here what we will do one change. In place of line I am writing only line, and now we will run the program. Once you write here once you write in the output more than one word like Suraj Datir, and you check it here, you are getting the error message because we are typing 2. So the exceptions runtime error will come. Okay, so one more time I run the program. Now this time I write only one particular word, so output is coming properly. So because of that, friend, it is better if you use next line method. So I hope you understood the difference between next and next line, and the remaining methods are quite simple, like next int, next float, next double. So you just practice that, and in the next tutorial we will perform one sample program by using all these method and the scanner class. So I hope you understood this tutorial. Thank you.